All right. Are you ready,
Yes.
Jenny? Okay. Would you like to do the English or the Arabic first?
The Arabic.
Arabic. Okay. Just repeat after me to the best of your ability, okay?
I will do my hardest.
All right. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
an la
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluh.
wa rasuluh.
Very good. All right. Now in English, I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is no God
that there is no God
worthy of worship except Allah.
worthy of worship except Allah.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the slave and messenger of Allah.
is the slave and messenger of Allah.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. There you go. If anybody wants to send Jenny some gifts now and show her the charity of Muslims, inshallah, please do so if you have the ability. Everybody, all the Muslim brothers and sisters in the chat, Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. I'm so happy for you.